When I first started looking into Brazilian metal furniture, I was struck by how much variety exists in this category, ranging from rugged functional pieces used in factories to stunning intricate designs that belong in high-end galleries. The transition from purely utilitarian metal furniture to expressive artisanal creations didn't happen overnight. One of the first things that stand out about Brazilian metal furniture is its early industrial root. In the mid-20th century, Brazil saw a surge in manufacturing, and metal furniture was largely about durability and efficiency. Factories, schools, and public institutions relied on metal desks, chairs, and shelving because they were steady, low maintenance, and could withstand daily wear and tear. These pieces weren't made to be stylish, they were made to last. Thick steel frames, utilitarian designs, and dark finishes define this era. Even today, you can find vintage industrial Brazilian metal furniture with those classic heavy-duty aesthetics. Things like robust filing cabinets, metal frame office chairs, and minimalist steel workbenches. But something interesting happened as Brazil's design scene started to evolve. By the 1950s and 60s, modernist architecture and furniture design were taking off, influenced by global movement and local creativity. Designers like Joaquim Tenreiro, Sergio Rodriguez, and Oscar Niemeyer were making waves with their innovative use of materials, and metal started to take on a new role. Instead of just being functional, it became part of a broader design philosophy. The integration of metal with wood, glass, and even leather became more common, marking a shift from industrial to sophisticated. This era saw a rise in metal furniture that still had durability but now featured clean lines, elegant curves, and a focus on aesthetics. One of the standout features of Brazilian metal furniture is its ability to incorporate natural elements while maintaining its industrial backbone. It's not uncommon to see a sleek steel frame supporting a reclaimed wood tabletop or a hand-welded metal chair with woven rattan seating. This fusion speaks to Brazil's rich natural resources and their deep appreciation for organic materials. Metal doesn't exist in isolation here. It's often paired with warm earthly textures to create balance. For example, Brazilian designers have a unique way of blending wood with metal in a way that doesn't feel cold or rigid. The steel frame of a dining table may have a matte black finish, while the wood slab on top retains its natural grain and imperfections. As I look further into Brazilian metal furniture, I realized how much craftsmanship plays a role. Unlike mass-produced factory furniture, many of the standout pieces are made by artisans who shape and weld metal by hand. There is a level of precision involved in bending, cutting, and assembling these pieces that goes beyond just functionality. I've seen incredible handcrafted designs where metal is worked into delicate patterns inspired by Brazilian flora and fauna. It's amazing how something as rigid as steel can be transformed into flowing intricate designs that feel almost alive. There are also metal furniture pieces that draw inspiration from Brazil's ingenious art, using traditional motifs and geometric patterns. Another defining moment in the evolution of Brazilian metal furniture came with the rise of Brutalism in architecture and design. This movement, which gained popularity in the 1960s and 70s, emphasized raw materials and structural honesty. In furniture, this translated to exposed steel framework, visible walls, and a bold, non-frost aesthetics. Chairs and tables had a sculptural quality, sometimes looking more like art pieces than functional items. This era solidified metal place in Brazil designs, proving that it could stand on its own without the need for embellishment. Some of the most iconic metal furniture designs from this period are still sought after today, with collectors appreciating their bold architectural forms. Fast forward to today, and Brazilian metal furniture is more diverse than ever. On one hand, you have sleek contemporary designs that emphasize minimalism. Think thin metal legs supporting glass tabletops or geometrically inspired shelving units with powder-coated steel finishes. On the other hand, you have designers pushing the boundaries of metalwork, experimenting with bold shapes, textures, and even upcycled materials. One of the most exciting things about Brazilian metal furniture today is its growing role in sustainability. Many designers are focusing on using recycled metals, reducing waste, and creating pieces that are built to last rather than being disposed of. The idea is to craft furniture that not only looks good but also aligns with environmentally conscious principles. In the high-end design world, metal furniture in Brazil has also taken on a more artistic dimension. Some contemporary designers treat metal as a canvas, using welding, engraving, and sculpture techniques to create one-of-a-kind pieces. It's fascinating to see how far metal furniture has come, from being purely practical to being showcased in galleries and luxury interiors. There are even metal furniture pieces that are custom-made to fit a specific space, much like architectural elements. A structural steel divider, for instance, can serve as both a functional partition and a striking piece of art. One thing I've noticed in my exploration of Brazilian metal furniture is how it manages to be both bold and refined. There is an inherent strength in metal, but the best designs soften that with thoughtful craftsmanship and material combinations. Whether it is a sleek steel frame lounge chair, an industrial-inspired dining table, or a modernist shelving unit, these pieces stand out because they embrace contrast. The appreciation for handcrafted metal furniture is something that really resonates with me. Even though I don't make these pieces myself, I can admire the level of skill involved. There is a real artistry in shaping metal, whether it's welding intricate joints, bending steel into graceful curves, or achieving the perfect brush finish. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve, don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.